Hello and welcome. This is Amanda, the Nerdy Crafter, and we are here today with day 15 of our Craft Buddy crystal art set. This is such a fun little set, making little ornaments for our tree every day. Ooh, I love it. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. It's got some more purples in it, so my favorite color. I'm so excited. So let's look back real quick and see the ornaments that we've received up to this point. So absolutely beautiful. We had another purple one here a couple days ago, so this is going to be so much fun. And so this weekend, I had the opportunity to go to a friend's house, and they did their annual Christmas party. And I had reached out to her husband and said, I need a little container for my diamond art while I'm working on it. And we designed this together. So we found a design file and he printed it for me and we put the different colors to it. So I'm going to give it a shot. This is my first time using it. So you're going to see it for the first time in use. But what I'm going to do is there's a little closure here and then I open up this and I'm going to drop the beads in. So this is tray 1. Perfect. Oh, got to close that. And tray 2. And I'm dumping them all in here because I did organize all the beads into another compartment. So when I'm done with this project, I will move them directly into that other storage container so I don't have to leave them in here. Oop, I don't think I closed that all the way. There we go. And then 3. Oh my goodness, this is so much fun. And last but not least, number 4. Again, make sure you close that first. Okay, let's see how this works. I'm so excited. It's just figuring out how to close these. Okay, so I'm going to pull out tray number 1. And I do use an electronic air compressor. And what this does is it sucks up all the beads for me so I don't have to use the wax. So it's absolutely amazing. I love it to pieces. So we are going to see how this works. I'm going to go ahead and do some behind the scenes noise. So I'm going to turn this on. It actually doesn't come out too loud on the recording. So I'm going to go ahead and let it run and then just speed this process up for you. So enjoy, have fun, and I'll see you again at the end. All right. So we have now finished up day 15 of our crystal art craft buddy diamond art advent advent calendar. Goodness, it's been a long week. And here is that new ornament to add to our collection. And then I did go through and organize all of the beads so that I could easily add them to other projects. So I think my gold is getting a little full, so let's put this back on. I'm gonna tap them down, open up the trap door, just one little straggler there. Cool beans. And then 3 was the pink, if I remember correctly. I just want to check that pink against this one. Looks like it's about the same shade of pink, so we're going to put them in the same compartment. So Same thing, just work them down a little bit. Oh my goodness. I am so stinking excited. This is such a cool set. Oh, I will try to find the file, the 3D cut file that I used, and then if you're interested, you can purchase it and make your own. If you don't have a 3D printer and you're interested in purchasing one of these, reach out. I will hook you up with my BFF that cut this one for me, and we will see if we can't convince him to make some more, because this is super califragilistic. Okay, let me just check my purples. And this looks like more of a pink purple, so I'm going to start a new compartment for that one, which is very fitting that I put it in the purple compartment. I decided to go with white for the base, so that way it would be easy to see the different crystal art crystals that I have. But I wanted the tops to be just a little decorative, so I just chose different colors that he has in his queue. So this one is kind of like a metallic. So these are just the colors I picked for my random colors, just a few of my favorite colors. But yeah, no, this is super, super cool. I'm absolutely loving it. And I'm excited to keep using it going forward and adding more bling to my collection. So thank you again so much for joining me today. My Craft Buddy Crystal Art Advent Calendar has been absolutely amazing. So much fun. And I look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. Come back and I'll see you then. Have a great day. Bye.